Hi friends, I just received my retractable gate for my pets. This is a really large gate. It's up to 115 inches long, so you can cover large spaces. It's not just for a door or for a stairway. It's for any kind of room. 115 inches, as I tell you, and it is retractable, so it makes it really, really convenient. I'm going to install it here in my house. I have 3 little pets, and you'll see how nice it is. It has these guides to install the accessories that go to the wall. This is the other guide, so you don't have to be losing time making difficult measurements, okay? Here are the accessories to mount it. Both sides, the side that goes to the wall, to the wall where the retractable gate is, and the other side that goes to, where the door will be opening and closing, okay? You have all these accessories to install it, a lot of double-sided tape, the screws, and everything you need to install it, okay? Depends on how you want to install it. Let's see the actual gate. Okay, there it is. See? So you get the idea how it works. And, well, I'm going to install it and see how our pets have a safer way of being in the house, in all the house when we want, or in a small place of our house if we need to. Okay. As you can see, I installed my gate here because I want my dogs, they can enter the house through that door, but sometimes we just want them to be able to enter the house because of the weather, but not come inside the living room. So I installed the other parts here, and that way they will be able to enter here and visit us. Let's put it. Perfect, as you can see, now they can come in.
I know.
And they can be inside the house, but not with us. That way, the pets are here visiting us, but they are not able to come inside all the house. So, this is a great way to have our pets